Hey there, today we're going to look at how to add a user to your Stripe account. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Over here, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. After that, enter your email and password, then click on sign in to access your dashboard. Then, once you're logged in, go to the home section. Over here, click on settings from the navigation menu. After that, under account settings, click on team and security. Then click on add member. Over here, type in the email address of the person you want to add. After that, select a role for the new member such as viewer, editor or developer. Then click on send invite. Over here, the person will receive an email invitation to join your Stripe account. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.